Hi students, it's Miss Kate. This is your grammar book, page 26. And we are starting a chapter on the past. And this chapter will include the simple past and past continuous, also called past progressive. So we're going to start with an overview of the simple past, the forms, how to make a simple past verb. So A and B are just showing you that generally you make the simple past by adding ed, but some verbs are irregular, such as sleep, and you will have to memorize the simple past form. And for sleep, it's slept. So we use the simple past to talk about things that happened in the past and they are finished. So they started and ended in the past. Okay, so C and D are two more regular verbs with ed, and E and F are showing you two past tense irregular verbs. Now G and H are showing you be verbs in the simple past. The singular form is was, and the plural form is were. All right, and so here we're showing you how to make the different types of simple past patterns, statements. You use your subject, your simple past verb. Often you will have an expression of time, such as yesterday. Negative, you will have your subject and the matching subject-verb agreement, the verb, and you're going to use the helping verb did with the negative not, and usually people make a contraction, didn't, plus your base verb. Okay, so that's negative. When you make a yes-no question, you begin a past tense yes-no question with the helping verb did, then the subject, then your base verb, and then, as I said many times, an expression of time. An answer to a past tense yes-no question, the short answer, yes, with the pronoun or noun, and then the word did, the helping verb. Or no, same thing, pronoun or noun, and then the helping verb, okay? Now that's for all verbs except for be verbs. So down here is how do you handle the past tense be verbs? Okay, for statements, you make sure that your subject, if it's singular, you have the verb was, and if it's plural, you use the verb were. Now if it's negative, you're going to use was not or were not, and they are often contracted, wasn't or weren't. Questions, yes-no questions, begin with was or were, then the subject, and then this is called your complement. It could be something like this, a prepositional phrase. It could be an adjective. It could be a noun. And finally, when you answer a yes-no question with a be verb, you're going to say yes with the subject and the be verb, if it's singular, was. And if it's negative, same, singular, wasn't. Or if your subject is plural, you're going to use were. And if it's negative, weren't. Okay, that's just an overview of the simple past. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.